Hey, what's up, riders and street freaks? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the legend of Suzuki Hayabusa, the bike that redefined what it means to be fast. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know why this machine is still the king of the streets, and I have got a little secret about its latest version that'll blow your mind. Hit that subscribe button and let's roll. If you have ever dreamed of raw power on two wheels, the Suzuki Hayabusa is probably on your list. Launched back in 1999, this beast wasn't just a motorcycle. It was a statement named after the peregrine falcon, fastest bird on the planet. The Hayabusa was built to dominate, and guess what it did? It snatched the title of world's fastest production bike right out of Honda's hands, hitting speeds of 188 to 194 miles per hour, and that's over 300 kilometers an hour for my metric friends. But here is the kicker: it's not just about the speed. This bike has evolved into a culture icon over 3 generations. So let's break it down: its history, its techs, and why it's still turning heads in 2025. Let's take it back to 1999. Suzuki dropped the first generation Hayabusa with a 1299cc inline 4 engine pumping out 175 horsepower. That might not sound insane today, but back then it was untouchable. The goal was simple: beat Honda PBR 1100 XS Super Blackbird, which was the top dog at that time. And it worked. Hayabusa became the king of speed wars. But then the industry got spooked. By 2001, Japanese and European manufacturers agreed to cap top speeds at 186 miles per hour or 300 kilometers per hour to keep things from getting too wild. Still, that didn't stop the Busa's legend from growing. Fast forward to 2008 and we got the second generation. Suzuki bumped the engine to 1340cc, cranking out nearly 200 horsepower. It was smoother, more refined, but still a beast. Then in 2021, the third generation Hayabusa arrived, and it is the one we are still drooling over in 2025. This version keeps the 10340cc engine but trades a bit of peak power down to 188 horsepower for better mid-range torque and rideability, because Suzuki wanted a bike that's not just fast in a straight line but usable every day. What really sets the Generation 3 apart is the technology. We are talking ride-by-wire, wired throttle, a 6-axis IMU traction control, launch control, engine brake control, and 3 power modes you can tweak to your liking. Plus, it's got this sleek aerodynamic design that screams speed even when it's parked. At 264 kg, about 582 pounds, it's heavy, but once you're moving, that weight turns into rock solid stability. Oh, and that 800 mm type, surprisingly manageable even for short rides. The acceleration is relentless, but silky smooth. You twist the throttle and it's like the world blurs around you. The wind protection is unreal thanks to that aerodynamic fairing and the ergonomics. Surprisingly comfy for a bike built for speed. The bars were moved closer to the rider in the third generation, so you are not hunched over like a racer all the time. But it's not perfect. The weight can be a handful at low speeds or in tight corners. It's no on cover, and at over 2.2 million yen or about $15,000, depending on your market, it's not cheap. Fuel economy isn't great either. With a 20-liter tank, you are looking at frequent stops if you're riding hard. Still, for what it offers, it's a bargain compared to some boutique superbikes. The Hayabusa isn't just a bike, it's a culture icon. It starred in movies, dominated track trips, and inspired a cult following of riders who moved it to insane levels. Think 400 horsepower supercharged beats. That's the bike you dream about as a kid and respect as an adult. Looking ahead, Suzuki's commitment to the Hayabusa is clear. The 2021 redesign proved that they are not letting this legend fade. Rumors swirls about future updates, maybe a hybrid system or even more power, but for now, it remains the ultimate sport bikes for those who crave speed with soul. Oh, and the secret I promised, which was basically two secrets. Word on street is Suzuki is cooking up something big for the Hayabusa's next chapter, maybe a hybrid power boost. Stick around till next time to find out. But the other secret I want to tell you is that Suzuki third generation, while its development, they did around 100 prototype testing on their engines before setting up the final design. You can find out the video. I will give out the link with the title development of generation 3rd on the channel Suzuki Bikes UK. You can check out there. They have the full video of development it and their final design of the engine. So there you have it, the Suzuki Hayabusa, a bike that's been breaking records and hertz for over 25 years. If you have ridden one, drop your thoughts in the comments. I wanna hear your stories. Hit that like button if you're a Busa fan and subscribe for more two-wheel goodness. Thank you, keep watching.